Hi friends, happy Diwali. Hope you're celebrating well. Right. We have from an academy, we have one good offer. You can get 25% of discount. 25% of discount. This is Diwali offer, my dear. It is available only today. 25% of discount Diwali offer available only today. Yeah, that too it is applicable for first 101 students who are taking the plus subscription. First 101 students who are taking the first subscription, and it is obviously applicable for only CA examination courses. And again, I am repeating, it is applicable only for today, right? And if you can use the below codes, my dear, right, that is for CA Foundation, DLOB2JKN and DLG12NGR, that is for CA Intermediate. Right. And about our course, my dear, this is Excel with Yeshas Academy. That is for CA Intermediate Group 1, which already started on August 18th and which is going on. It will be about to complete. But this course will be useful for your May 2023 examination. And immediately afterwards, we will be starting group 2 course also, and these are our faculty. Karthik Iyer sir will be handling with the law, and Mayur sir, myself, Ravikant Miriyala, and Rajvardhan sir, both of all of us will be handling accountancy, and Vijayanagar sir will be handling the law, and Raj Dhananjay sir will be taking care of the costing. Okay, my dear. Yeah, this is the schedule of the batch. This is how it is going on. We'll be completing very soon, right? And the batch highlights. Yes, obviously, all the faculties are very well experienced and hands-on practical experience they have, so that they can share it, and that will be a lot of add-on to your career, right? And 600 plus interactive live sessions are going to happen, my dear. Revision classes, practicing sessions also will be there. MCQ questions will be shared with you, so that you can test your knowledge. And unlimited access here, it's not restricted to 1.5 views or one view or something like that, right? You can watch how long your subscription is there. Okay, right. And live tests are going to be conducted. This is about our faculty information. Everybody, I mean, none of them have had the experience of teaching less than 20, less than 10,000 number of students, my dear, right? All of them are excellent faculty, and they can add a lot to your career. Yeah, this is our batch, my dear, which started in August. September may approximately 60% will be completing. October, by the end of October, we will be completing 100%. November, we will be trying for RTP, MTP, quizzes, and etc. will be conducted. That is to brush it up, right? This plus features, yes, somebody can take the plus subscription and somebody can take iconic subscription. With iconic subscription, you will be getting the right many other benefits. That is, mentorship will be available, printed material will be available, separate doubt solving session, because you have a mentor, right? And the courses, this is evaluated test series. This is also available only with the iconic test series, right? I mean, every paper you will be able to write 3 tests. That means 8 papers in CA Intermediate, 8 into 3 24 question papers you will be able to write. You have to upload it, and it will be corrected by our team, and they will come back with good suggestions, correct, now where you can improve your style of writing. That will be adding a lot and lot to your journey. Okay, right. There is a separate daily scholarship program also for CA, my dear. Yes, you can, I mean, on the specific date when they announce, then you should be present on that time exactly, and 1 hour test will be there. Depending upon your number of marks scored by you, you're going to get good amount of discount once again. Yeah, this is about iconic, my dear. Plus subscription, I mean, for 24 months, how much does it cost per month? And for iconic subscription, 12 months, how much does it cost, right? This is what available right now. Yeah, I would like to give you some examination tips, and these are all very important. That's what I feel, my dear. Yeah, as you get the 15 minutes of time, just apply your knowledge, and I mean, use that 15 minutes of time in the best fashion. That 15 minutes of time is very crucial, my dear, to you, right? You have to select the which question you are supposed to answer first, and in that choice, even though you feel 16 marks question you are very comfortable, you will be able to crack it. My personal suggestion, I say, don't directly go with 16 marks question initially. Okay, if it works out very well, but if it does not work out, no, you will lose a lot of confidence. That is the reason my suggestion is like 4 marks, 5 marks, 6 mark questions will be there, right? Yeah, those questions you attempt first half an hour or 1 hour, at least 1 hour. Yeah, try with all these 4 marks, 5 marks, 8 marks questions. Yeah, if you automatically, that will boost you a lot of confidence, my dear. Then you go with 16 marks questions. That is the one. And again, it's just one small suggestion kind. You will be getting 120 marks of question paper. Out of that, you will be trying to write 100 marks by mistake, by chance. Okay, you tried for one question. Yeah, say 4 marks question. Yeah, 4 marks question what is the amount of time you have to spend, my dear? Maximum 8, not even 8 minutes, 6 minutes to 7 minutes you are supposed to close it. Yeah. So when it is 7 minutes, may if you are supposed to close and you couldn't complete it within the time, just feel. I mean, it's very difficult. It is easy to say, I know that, but it is very difficult to practically apply it. But we were also students, right? We also did it. That's why. Just calm down yourself. Fine. I couldn't do it right now. Just give some gap in the page. Correct. Now just try with the next question. Don't try to waste so much of time only for that question. Correct. Now you never know whether you may get it, may not get it. See, here end of the day, here end of the day, your objective is what? Is it that everything has to be cleared with perfectness? Not that. You are supposed to clear the examination with exemption means 60 above marks. If you get exemption will be there. Yeah, that is what at that minute of time, what decision you take, that really matters. Yeah, many times mind will tell, no, 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 solve it and go. You tell your mind yourself, we'll come back and solve. It's not that we are leaving it. Yeah, go with the next question. Try the next question. Correct. And towards the end, if you get little more time, some time is available, then come back. Why not? Correct. Now, why not? Why can't you attempt that again? Correct. Now, because you left some gap, one page you leave it and come back and try on that. That is very crucial. And let's just before examination, some student, some friend, some contact may try to get you, "Hey, this is a super book, this is that book, this is this material, have you tried this question, this is very important, my teacher told." Like these suggestions, free suggestions especially, you will get number of free suggestions, my dear. My free suggestion and my heartful suggestion is, first mute all those suggestions. Okay, mute all those suggestions. Whatever you have studied so far is excellent. Whatever the book you have referred, that is the perfect thing. Okay, and all the questions are going to come from that material only. That's the feeling, that the mindset you need it right now. Because last minute, if you listen to all these suggestions, it's going to kill you, it's going to bring you down. Be careful, be careful. My suggestion, I should told you, mute all those suggestions. Stick to that material what you have referred so far. That alone only will help you. Suddenly you cannot become experty in this last 6 7 days. May nobody, no human can become experty, my dear. Just remember that. That is one important suggestion. Right. And just before examination also, and this is normal, everybody tells this, right? So 1 hour at least, give a gap. You don't need to read it, because don't worry, my dear, whatever you have worked hard for last this 7 months or 8 months or 9 months of time, don't think that you must have lost everything. No way. Your concentration level in the examination hall will be very high. Trust me, you will experience it in very near future. Your concentration levels will be very high in the examination hall, and whatever the small point your master told and you heard it from him correctly, now that you will be able to recollect it. You will be able to recollect it. Your concentration levels will be very high. I'm telling you, whatever the small point also will come out. Just have patience, just believe in you and believe in God. That helps you more than, right? I wish you all the very best, and wish you happy Diwali. After the exams also, we pray that the same happiness should continue, right? All the very best once again, my dear.